Hi there, it's Erin and Gemma here from Three Birds Renovations. We are down in the gorgeous Southern Highlands to do a house tour.
It's called Coromandel Homestead, and I believe she's got 2 little residences, one lodge, one cottage.
That's it. I'm really excited. So how about you guys come with us?
Hello, welcome.
Hi,
How are you? Lovely.
Thank you for having us. Look at the light and the gardens.
Yeah, that's why we bought this place, really. It was the gardens.
I can see why.
I love what you've done here because to me it looks like this is a cosmetic renovation that you've done to your property.
Yes.
I just love that you've done that, but you kind of kept these original features.
Oh, wow, this is just
the little cottage.
so charming.
The old house up there was 4 years. I think it's been on Airbnb almost 5. And this one's 2 years.
Catherine, can I ask though, because you're in Sydney, how do you manage this? Like, do you use a host to do it for you locally?
We absolutely have someone locally that helps, and my advice to anyone that wants to Airbnb but is not living, close by,
Yeah.
get some help. That is something I would absolutely look into.